Hi everyone, this is Gliza made with Glee. I'm sharing today with you guys a long overdue forgotten video. I created these wreaths in the beginning of July. Somehow they got lost in the shuffle and it's almost fall. And everyone's coming up with lots of fall DIYs, including myself, and I'll be sharing fall wreaths. And I just realized, hey, I never shared the summer wreaths. So these are the wreaths that are the finished product, I should say, are the wreaths that are currently being displayed on my front door. They've been up there since after 4th of July and will be there until September when I change over for the fall season. Now, I initially started out with wreaths that I had in my stash from maybe 5-6 years ago. These were spring Easter wreaths. There were Easter eggs and petunias and butterflies and old lace and whatnot. I don't even know what I put in this thing. So I basically deconstructed, took everything out. If you've been watching my videos over the past month or so, you may notice quite a few of the elements were used in other DIYs. Now, once I got back down to the bare bones, this is what inspired my wreath. These two signs from the Dollar Tree and this roll of Deco Mesh that my aunt picked up for me from Walmart last year for $1. I've had it in my stash, just didn't know what to do with it. The colors wasn't quite right until I found the Dollar Tree signs. They went perfect, and so I decided to make new wreaths this year. Now, my methods, very simple. There's lots of other people who offer really great tutorials on how to do these Deco Mesh wreaths. I'm not sure what this method is called, but I'm just using like the one roll, grabbing handfuls and securing it directly to the wreath frame with chenille stems. Now, I'm a little stingy with my supplies. I'm using really short pieces. I would recommend longer, especially if you have problems with your hands and you need to, to get that twist really going to make sure that you secure your Deco Mesh to your wreath form. Now, everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I used half of the roll on one wreath and half on the other. Basically, the two signs were attached using twist ties. Not twist ties. What are these things called? Chenille stems. They were attached using chenille stems and hot glue. And then I also ended up reusing the from the original wreath, the yellow petunia garland into my design. So I hope you guys like my summer wreaths. These are the ones, like I said, that are currently up on my door until September, and you will see how I change them out in the fall. But until then, I am enjoying my summer wreaths, and I hope you guys like them too. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. I will see you guys later this week with another DIY. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.